Welcome, today in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open just see the lock screen. We can see that we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen, and to change lock screen wallpaper we should open the settings and then scroll down to the to the home screen and lock screen section. After that you'll see here wallpaper section, tap here once, and now we can select our new wallpaper from our device photos. So tap here to allow, and for example if you have any photos on your device camera, so I'll just take a picture. So now let's go back here to the settings, to the home screen, wallpapers, and now we can see here in our photos there's new picture. So you can select this picture, or for example if you have some downloaded from the internet photos you can use them, or also we can use just regular default wallpapers. For example I'll use this one. Just we can see how that will look on the lock screen. Just select the lock screen, tap here to done. Wait a second. Now we can see that this wallpaper applied successfully, and as you can see we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while our home screen, and after that on the left down corner tap here to the wallpaper section. You will launch directly wallpapers here, and by the same way select one from these wallpapers. You can use live if you want. For example I'll go with this one, tap here, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.